Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. It's why we're the brand most trusted by professional chefs. But you won't just find us in restaurant kitchens. You'll also find us in home kitchens around the world. Because whether you're interested in the culinary arts, making healthier choices, or enjoying restaurant quality smoothies at home, when you're ready to move on and move up, when you're ready to invest in your passion, you're ready for Vitamix. Just blend warm water and a drop of dish soap at your machine's highest speed, and watch it self-clean in 60 seconds or less, no disassembly required. Our second best high-power blender is Oster BLSTPB-WPK blender. The Oster My Blend blender is an individual-sized blender and sport bottle in one that is designed to fit your active, fast-paced lifestyle. With quick and convenient one-touch blending, you can create your favorite smoothies, protein shakes, and more to enjoy at home. Blend your favorite smoothie or shake right in the sport bottle. Dishwasher-safe 20-ounce BPA-free plastic sport bottle. Crush ice with 400 watts of power, 250 blending watts with one-touch blending. Built-in, resettable fuse will revive the motor in 15 minutes should it overheat. Recipes included in the instruction manual. Let's watch how it's work. Third choice in our list is Vitamix A3500 blender. Vitamix fuels passions. It's why we're the brand most trusted by professional chefs. But you won't just find us in restaurant kitchens. You'll also find us in home kitchens around the world. Because whether you're interested in the culinary arts, making healthier choices, or enjoying restaurant quality smoothies, just blend warm water and a drop of dish soap at your machine's highest speed, and watch it self-clean in 60 seconds or less. Built-in timer helps avoid over or under processing your custom recipes. Set the timer to the length of your blend, and it will turn the machine off automatically. Motor base, low profile 64 ounces container, low profile classic tamper, simply blending cookbook. For details, let's watch more.
The A3500 features 5 program settings for smoothies, frozen desserts, hot soups, dips and spreads, and self-cleaning. A new programmable timer helps you create consistent recipes. It displays how long your blend has been running, how much time is left on your program setting, or stops the blender automatically when the time you've entered is complete. Add in variable speed control and pulse, and you can stretch your creativity with confidence. When it's time to wash up, the containers are self-cleaning and dishwasher safe. The sleek touchscreen panel easily wipes clean. Vitamix is the first to offer a complete system of containers with wireless connectivity. That means the machine reads each container and automatically adjusts blending times. So what are you waiting for? Grind, blend, create hot soups, frozen desserts, and more. Live a healthy life with flavor and gusto. The A3500 with a 10-year warranty, part of the Ascent series from Vitamix.
Number 4 in our side is Cuisinart CPB 380 blender. The Hurricane Compact Juicing Blender with 1+ peak HP motor breaks down whole fruits and vegetables in the streamlined BPA-free 32-ounce jar and minces herbs and spices in the 8 ounces BPA-free chopper cup for delicious nutrient-filled juices and/or smoothies. The Hurricane Compact Blender has big blender performance and blend-in-to-go cup convenience. Included are 2 16-ounce travel cups with travel lids, 1 double wall and 1 single wall. Also included are 4 colorful, heavy-duty reusable straws. Last in our top 5 best blender list is: get the party started with the Black & Decker XL Blast Drink Machine. The extra-large 72-ounce blending jar comes with an insulated chill sleeve that keeps iced drinks cold for hours. Digital controls include 4 preset functions that create the perfect consistency for margaritas, daiquiris, shakes, and smoothies. Plus, the blade is fully integrated with the jar, and both are dishwasher safe. 4 pre-programmed blend settings create margaritas, daiquiris, shakes, and smoothies. Let's watch more.
Black & Decker XL Blast Drink Machine is all you need to create frozen drinks, creamy smoothies, and delicious cocktails. Made of durable Eastman Triton plastic, the XL 72-ounce jar holds all your party favorites and family-sized smoothies perfectly. With 4 speeds, plus pulse, and a powerful 650-watt motor, the XL Blast tears through ice and delivers perfectly consistent blends every time. The preset auto function makes margaritas, daiquiris, shakes, and smoothies easier than ever. Keep your drinks cool for hours in the innovative insulated chill sleeve. The reclosable pour spout and removable shot glass are the finishing touches that complete your XL Blast party. Whether serving blended drinks for yourself or a group of 12, the Black & Decker XL Blast Drink Machine is a life of every.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.